In this video, I'm going to show you how to use a SharePoint calendar. Right now, I'm in my training calendar, and we can see that we've got multiple calendars in view. It's important to note that the teal calendar, in this case training calendar, is the default calendar. So this is what I'm seeing right now. If I want to add an event to the technology adoption team calendar, I need to click onto it first. So when I click onto it, we can see that the name changes and I'm now in that particular calendar. So I can go ahead and add my event. So to do so, I can just click into one of the cells here and then click on add. I can then fill in some details, change the time, add a location, make it an all-day event, or change the recurrence. I'm just going to leave it as is. So I'll click on to save now. So this is now appearing as teal in the technology adoption team calendar. Now when I click on back to training calendar, we can see that it appears in the training calendar view in navy. Now if I want to delete this, the easiest thing to do is to click back into that calendar, click onto the event, and then click on delete item and OK to confirm. That event has now disappeared and I can click back onto back to training calendar. And that event no longer appears. There may also be times when you want to change the view of the calendar. So to do that, you can click on to the calendar tab up the top and then change the scope. So right now I'm looking at this calendar in a week view, but I can change it to day and also to month.